Hi, and welcome to all my future kitchen queens. Hey my ladies, welcome to a new video of mine, and I'm very happy that you guys are here to my Mother's Day special. And in this video, we are making a Mother's Day picnic basket. And is there something better on Mother's Day to spend time with your mom? I don't think so. I love building memories with my mom, and unfortunately, I'm too far away right now, but if your mom is close by, definitely do something for her to spend some time. So the whole picnic basket is for 2 people, and it includes an appetizer, like 2 different kinds, a fruit salad, and some kind of dip with vegetable sticks. And the main dish, if you can say it like this, is lentil pancake in a jar with a mixture of mushrooms with vegan cheese and also some lettuce. We prepare fresh lemonade because everyone needs to drink something during that picnic. And as a dessert, we have the cashew yogurt with poppy seeds and lemon oil mixed with a cashew nut mixture with coconut, topped with some hazelnut chocolate crumbles. The best part of it, of course, it's sugar-free, and it's a very healthy picnic that you can provide for your mom. So yeah, everyone is pretty happy. I don't know if you knew, but Mother's Day is not a made-up thing from the advertising industry. It goes way back to the ancient Greek who cultivated the mother cult with a festival in honor of Rhea, the mother of Zeus. But Mother's Day in its current form was shaped by the English and American women's movement. They raised days to exchange views on current issues, or later on to bring awareness that sons should no longer fall a victim to wars. And the Mother's Day all over the world is on a different day. That is confusing to me, but that's what it is. And the most common gift on Mother's Day, of course, are flowers. Although Mother's Day is celebrated differently from country to country, from family to family, it is universal and predominant as an expression of gratitude and family awareness. I wish all the mothers out there a wonderful Mother's Day. Stay safe and rock on your green life.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this Rocker Green Life family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, and you want to support this channel, you're only 1 click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your green life.